Essex County Railroad with you again. We're now in Etowah, Tennessee at the Historic L&N Depot. There used to be a big maintenance shop here. This was the place to stop for your work between Atlanta and Knoxville. It's still a big yard for the CSX. Zoom in on these trains a little bit. And they have excursions every once in a while. Got a redone caboose there. Both of my grandfathers used to work here at the L&N Railroad. As a matter of fact, the whole town was built around the L&N Railroad. We've got all the different flags out. And here's a bit of historic Etowah. It's just really a one straight town centered around this depot. And the L&N doesn't stop here anymore like that song says. But they do have a lot of freight service through here. My grandfather on my daddy's side used to engineer between here and Corbin, Kentucky and back. They'd call him in all times of day and night. He had a grip with a change of clothes and a carton of cigarettes, and he'd go to get the train and drive it to Corbin. But this is a historical place. I believe it's on the National Register of Historic Places. The L&N Depot, Etowah, Tennessee. It's kind of late. Oh, I hear a train whistle. But we was probably on the other side of these cars. We'll catch the CSX over here one day. But for now, Essex County Railroad, y'all be well.